today we're going to make a Bengali dish, koraishutir kachori, also known as green pea kachori. It's very easy to make with this step-by-step tutorial and really delicious. So let's begin on how to make this. So we have 1 cup of green peas, 1 tablespoon of ginger. In case you're wondering, that's just dried lavender scattered around the table. Green chilies to taste depending on how spicy you want it. 1 teaspoon of black seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of sugar for a tiny bit of sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain powder. And salt to taste, we're just adding 1/4 teaspoon. Firstly, you're just going to boil your peas until they're nice and soft. Next, we're going to blend our green peas that we have boiled with 1/4 cup of water, ginger and green chilies, and sugar. Next, in a pan, we're just going to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. And to it, we're adding our black seeds. Letting that roast in the oil so it can release its flavour. Next, we're just putting in our cumin seeds. And doing the same with that. Now we're just adding a tablespoon of water and the rest of our spices, including our salt. Now we're just adding our blended mixture that we made earlier, and we're going to be stirring this in. So we stirred it until it thickens. So the ingredients for the dough is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and lukewarm water required. So we're firstly just adding our flour and salt into a bowl, and we're going to give that a quick mix. Next, we're adding in our oil. And we're going to mix that in as well. Next, we're just gradually adding in our water, not all of it at once, and then combining it into a dough. Next, we're going to leave the dough to rest for 15 minutes. Once we rested our dough, we're going to roll it out. Now we're splitting the dough into balls. Now we're rolling out each individual ball into a nice circular shape. Now we've got two circular shaped doughs, and in the middle, the centre, we're going to place our filling. And then we're just dabbing a little bit of water around the edge, so when we place the other half on top, it seals tightly. Now we're placing our other dough on top, and we're going to seal the edge. And on the edge, we're just creating a nice pattern to make it look nice. So we're heating oil so it's piping hot, and now we've placed our kachori and we're letting it fry until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. So here we have our koraishutir kachori. You may also call it green pea kachori. It's very easy to make and tastes delicious. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.